Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I need to know about your concepts about recommendation system or models. I can share mine too. According to my experience, many projects I have built in Python and machine learning, but few of them were recommendation based, which I shared. First of all, in recommendation system, we need to know about data collection. This is very most important step in our recommendation system. Then we process the data, extract their features, and so on. So according to our movie recommendation system, we have two ways. First, we need to have a data set. Then we can work on admin model too. By admin model, I am thinking that admin can add movies, he can manage movies. Then our recommendation model we can apply on users when user give ratings. Okay. So there are many recommendation models which are user based. We can compare users behavior to other user behavior, and other is content based or content filtering. Okay. And one is collaborative filtering, which were I explained, user to user comparing. Okay. In every recommendation model we need to know about similarity, which we can build by matrix, and this matrix will know about users behavior, his actions, and similarities between other users. Then we can apply a model which can recommend the movies. Okay. So I have a project which I built recently. This is also a recommendation model. It is not on YouTube, but I can share it with you. So this is our project. Okay. I have built with the help of dataset, like here we have requirement that choose a dataset that align with the problem that is being addressed. Okay. So this is our dataset, which have many movies, their names, their ratings. Basically we are comparing ratings, and this is search based recommendation. Whenever a user search something, some movie by its name, then our model will recommend movies. Like here, these are the home page. When here we search Avengers or any other movie, okay, it recommend them here in the search base too. When he select here, and this is a button, sometime it works, sometime not, I don't know why. But okay, our project was giving error as we haven't much data for recommendation. As this is based on content based filtering approach, cosine similarity between movies. As I said, this is movies data. It sees the movies, whenever a user search a movie, it sees their type, genre, their hero name, or any other metadata. Like here, we search this movie, Thor the Dark World Order. Then it says, it sees the hero. Okay. Thor is available in this movie also, in this movie also. Okay. This is recommendation model basically. What I was telling to you. If you want a project like this, I can do it. And if you want project movie recommendation based on rating system, then we can do it too. uh, Here we does not have ratings, but which I was thinking to build for you is based on ratings. Okay. You can see the code here too. First of all, we are importing libraries, then we have a data set. Okay, it is seeing cosine similarity. This is basically a matrix we are using. It is machine learning concept, and it is seeing the metadata of the movies and similarity between movies, like their hero name, any other. Okay, this is what the metrics are called. We can print here too, but it is web-based project, so I didn't have. Okay, for search we have movie r.csv file, which is this is file. Okay, these are the movies which have I think recommendations, and recommendation system is based totally on content. If we have larger content, then our system will work, and if we have fewer content, then it will not work. But the rating system can work based on rating. We have 100 of movies or 50 movies, then it can also work. In ratings, we can use sentiment analysis. Okay, uh, first we take ratings from users, then we tokenize them. Tokenize means we can clean the data which user is putting by comments or their ratings, and based on user comments we can recommend them movies. Like I have did it in PHP project. I will share video to you. Okay,